Hey, this is Pedro Pier Construction. Today I'm here in Union, New Jersey. So just some complicated check. This roof replacement project. This roof replacement project is total pay for insurance because this customer have like a lot of missing shingle. So we have to put a claim. So the insurance company pay for a whole new roof and whole new insulation in the attic. So that's take like a couple weeks, all of this process. So we're ready to start work on this roofing insulation replacement project, the whole house. So anyone need help, like any store damage, some things we can help. We're here ready to help. Just call us 973-573-6191. That's how to lock this roofing attic insulation replacement project. So just contact us for more information. You can visit www.petergcnj.com. We're serving all of northern central New Jersey. So that's it for today. Keep watching. So see you next video.